Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Aquaphor Spray is probably one of the most versatile and convenient skincare solutions to hit the market, offering a unique, mess-free application that penetrates deep to heal and protect dry, cracked, or irritated skin. This innovative spray format allows for easy coverage on hard-to-reach areas, making it an essential addition to any daily skincare routine for anyone seeking rapid relief and long-lasting moisture without the greasy feel often associated with traditional ointments. Number 5. Aquaphor Ointment Body Spray. Discover the new Aquaphor Ointment Body Spray. It's designed to provide effective skin care on the go. This powerful formula deeply moisturizes and helps to heal dry, rough skin. Experience lasting relief and comfort. Specifically formulated for those struggling with dry and rough skin patches. It works to restore your skin's natural barrier. The easy-to-use spray can allows for quick and even application. Get soothing relief without the mess. This convenient 3.7-ounce spray can is perfect for your daily routine. Keep your skin healthy and hydrated wherever you are. Trust Aquaphor for your skin's healing needs. Its unique formula provides essential care for compromised skin. What we like. This spray offers unparalleled convenience for moisturizing and healing dry, rough skin. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to soothe and protect your skin without the mess of lotions, this is your go-to. It's perfect for busy individuals who need effective skin repair on the go. What people say. It's a great alternative to the jar for application on large areas of the body. The spray is fine and covers well, making it easy to apply to hard-to-reach places like the back. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue, which is a big plus for daily use. Number 4. Solar Recover After Sun Moisturizing Spray. Introducing our best-selling After Sun Spray. It delivers essential vitamins and botanicals in a lightweight mist that absorbs instantly, soothing sunburned skin and restoring hydration without any greasy feel. Each bottle provides 2,460 fine mist sprays for natural sunburn relief. Mist it onto your face, neck, arms, legs, or any sun-exposed skin for instant, natural hydration and soothing. Experience moisturization like never before. Our unique mist formula delivers hydration without the heavy feel of traditional lotions. It sprays on and absorbs in, leaving your skin refreshed and cool. This formula is all-natural, paraben-free, and sulfate-free. It's safe for sensitive skin, children, and adults, making it gentle enough for daily face use and delicate skin. Proudly made in the USA, this is a thoughtful gift for anyone who enjoys spending time in the sun. It's ideal for beach lovers, golfers, hikers, and anyone wanting natural after-sun skin care. What we like. Experience instant relief from sunburn with this hydrating mist. If you spend a lot of time in the sun and often suffer from redness and discomfort, this product is ideal. Its non-greasy formula absorbs quickly, making it perfect for anyone who dislikes sticky after-sun lotions. What people say. It's a game-changer for dry skin. The spray is very fine and covers a large area quickly. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. Number 3. Active Skin Repair Baby Spray. Introducing Active Skin Repair, your go-to solution for your baby's delicate skin. This natural spray provides gentle yet effective relief from common irritations. Formulated to be non-toxic and sting-free, it's perfect for even the most sensitive skin. You can use it with confidence on your little one. It effectively soothes common issues like diaper rash and baby acne. This spray helps calm and heal your baby's skin quickly. From minor cuts and wounds to scrapes, this versatile spray aids in the healing process. It's a must-have for your baby's first aid kit. Our natural, non-toxic formula ensures safety and peace of mind. Trust it to care for your baby's skin irritations. Keep this 3 ounces spray handy for all your baby's skin needs. It's the natural choice for everyday skin care and healing. What we like. This gentle, non-toxic spray is designed for sensitive skin and provides sting-free first aid. If you have a baby or young children prone to diaper rash, eczema, or minor scrapes, this is an excellent choice. It's also suitable for adults seeking a mild yet effective solution for various skin irritations. What people say. It's a great way to moisturize dry skin without having to rub it in. The spray is very fine and covers a large area quickly. It absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a greasy residue. Number 2. New Skin NaPCA Moisture Mist 2-Pack. Experience a refreshing burst of hydration with this revitalizing mist. It's perfect for instantly quenching your skin and hair's thirst. Feel instantly refreshed and revitalized with every spray. This cooling mist provides a soothing sensation for your face, body, and hair. Infused with hyaluronic acid, it delivers deep moisture to keep your skin plump and hydrated. Enjoy lasting comfort and a dewy glow. Formulated with sodium PCA, it's gentle and effective for all skin types. It helps maintain your skin's natural moisture balance. Keep this essential mist handy for a quick pick-me-up throughout the day. It's your go-to solution for anytime, anywhere hydration. This convenient 2-pack ensures you're never without your favorite hydrating mist. Enjoy continuous moisture for your skin and hair. What we like. Achieve revitalized and hydrated skin and hair with this multi-purpose mist. If you desire a refreshing boost of moisture throughout the day for your face, body, or hair, this is a great option. Its formula, enriched with hyaluronic acid, is perfect for all skin types seeking a dewy, refreshed look. What people say. It's a great way to moisturize dry skin without having to rub anything in. This spray is a game changer for applying ointment to hard-to-reach areas like your back. The fine mist spray covers large areas of skin evenly and absorbs quickly. Number 1. HUME SUPERNARURAL Dry Body Oil Spray. Discover the ultimate hydration with our dry body oil spray. It's designed to deeply moisturize and nourish your skin. Our non-toxic formula is perfect for dehydrated or sensitive skin. Experience a gentle yet effective moisturizing mist. Enriched with prickly pear and apricot, this oil provides deep nourishment. It's a plant-based solution for healthy-looking skin. Enjoy the fast-absorbing, lightweight feel after your shower. It leaves your skin feeling soft and revitalized without any greasiness. Suitable for both women and men, it's the ideal after-shower body oil. Give your skin the care it deserves. What we like. Indulge your skin with this fast-absorbing dry body oil spray. If you have dehydrated or sensitive skin and are looking for deep nourishment without a greasy residue, this product is for you. Its blend of plant-based oils makes it ideal for post-shower application to lock in moisture and leave skin feeling soft and supple. What people say. It's a game changer for dry skin, especially on legs and arms. The spray application is super convenient and covers large areas quickly. It absorbs well without feeling greasy, leaving skin soft and hydrated. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.